that Smyrna cowboy to you?
Hello everybody, Smyrna Cowboy here. How y'all doing today? Today is April the 13th, 2024 at 11:46 in the morning. Current mileage is 7874 and the temperature, what do you get through here? And the temperature is about 64 degrees. Just out and about today, had to run a few errands at the post office, sending a package out to Canada. Oh, Canada. A couple of things I want to talk about with you guys and gals today. Well, had a thing last week, and we've been meaning to do it for a little bit now. We've had some issues with our HVAC unit, and we have gas heat on our HVAC, and before the heat comes on, I hear a real big roar coming through the HVAC. So we had our company here in Middle Tennessee, Hiller, come out, and first off, the air conditioning unit is like 14 years old, so it's about due. But it was the gas blower or something like gas blower fume extractor, I can't remember the name of it now, was going bad. The bearings were going bad on it. So we decided to, I knew you were going to come out. We decided to go ahead and just get a new HVAC unit. I'll show you some pictures here when they installed it. We had an American Standard, and that lasted for a good 14 years. So this is a Mana unit, and this is what our plumbing company recommends. Now, it has a 10-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, parts and labor. It has a Wi-Fi enabled thermostat, so you can cool it off or warm it up if you're in Bozeman, Arizona or something, which is a good deal. But this thing is not cheap by no means. It's a 2-ton unit. Installation, everything was right at $16K. But since it's going to last about 10 years, and it's a high efficiency unit, I figured while we do have the means, just to go ahead and get it done and over with. So when me and Mrs. Cowboy are gone from this planet, my daughter can either move into there or sell it or whatever she wants to do. At least we'll have a good air conditioner. And another thing I want to talk to you guys and gals about for a moment. Here recently, I don't know, it was because of the burn, the explosion causing the burn, and it hadn't been bothering me for a long time until here recently. But any strange noise, just say for the sake of argument, I'm lying in bed and my wife knocks off of, just say a can of air freshener in the bathroom, and it hits the floor. And it doesn't scare me, but it just startles me and I jump. I don't know if I'm just more sensitive to random noises like that or what. I don't know if it's PTSD or what it is because of the trauma of the explosion. I mean, I'm not... It just happens at certain times, you know? I don't know why. It just makes me jump. So like I say, I don't know why that would cause that. Maybe it's just a delayed reaction of the explosion, but shoot, that's been over 3 years ago. So I don't know if one of you guys or gals have had a similar type of situation. Please put your responses in the comments. I want to know if I'm just not the only one out there, which I know I'm not, but it's just really weird. It's just, if I see it gonna fall, you know, it doesn't bother me at all if I know it's coming, but just, just a little noise like that is just really, really weird. So I don't know. So just checking with you guys and gals to see if that's happened to you. Well, besides having that monstrous HVAC unit installed, nothing really much happening. Poochie dog. Nothing really much happening, really. Looking forward to VAM24 if I'm able to go, depending on my wife's health. She's doing good right now, but, I don't know what's going to be in the very near future or anything else, but we'll just cross that bridge when we come to it. But I'm really looking forward to meeting in person. I think Eric from Kraken's Garage is going to be there. Purple on 3, Jody and PSP Tommy G's going to be there. Some of the big heavy hitters in my little circle of YouTubers I follow. So hopefully I'll be able to do that. The Middle Tennessee Geritol Riders Group is planning on a ride tomorrow. Whether we go or not is a different story, but we are planning for a ride. So if that comes about, and if I decide to do some video on that, you'll be seeing that in the near future. So I guess that's about it, guys and gals. That's all I got for the Smyrna Cowboy today. So we'll catch you guys and gals later. This is a Smyrna Cowboy here in Smyrna, Tennessee, pulling into the Smyrna Cowboy Hacienda. Always got to get this just right. And that's it. Okay, wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios.
Thank you for your time and attention.